Banana. Banana.
Updates on the microwave shoe. My mom finally learned how to use the timer correctly. It's too high tech. It's too high tech of a toaster. I used it like several times, and then my mom was like, "Oh wait, how'd you get the timer for the microwave?" And I'm like, "Oh, you just spin the dial, and it spins to the time." And she's like, "Oh, it's a work in progress." We're working on that. What do I do? Do I put this here? Okay. Wait, what? Tuskaru? For what? I don't even know what I did. I'm scared. What'd I do? You stretched? Stretched what? Okay. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye! Ochi, thank you! Thank you once again. Thank you once again so much. Thank you.